Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bearer, back again here in the Den of Tools. Finally, after all these computer fiascos we've been having. Yeah, sorry it's been taking so long, but we're back. Hopefully, we'll see how long we stay here. Anyway, I wanted to get a quick video out today just to tell you about a hot deal over at Lowe's. I hinted about it in the live stream this past weekend. We talked about it before. As you see there, it's 61% off through the end of January, but they're low in stock. I think that currently about 20 to 25% of the Lowe's stores currently have these in stock. I would check online before making a trek down to your local Lowe's. But this is just a great deal. So what you got, that is if you're looking to get into an excellent quality tool that's at the lower end of the performance spectrum, because it is a brushed. They're less expensive. It's really a rebadged Hitachi. For those of you who don't know, Metabo and Hitachi, they merged. I'm not sure who bought whom. I think it was Metabo buying Hitachi. But the good news is that the batteries are backwards compatible. And if you buy the new Metabo HPT stuff, you'll be able to use it with the old Hitachi stuff. So that's good news right there. Anyway, the $49.98 in stock right now. That's a heck of a deal. Now, though, if you think that's a good deal, if you could spend a few bucks more. Now, let me just say this. This comes with the case, with the charger, and with two 1.3 amp hour batteries. But if you can spend, basically twice as much, you get more than twice as much because they've got this combo kit. This is their 2-tool 18-volt brushless. This comes with the impact driver and the drill driver. Now, it only comes with one battery, but the battery it comes with is a low-profile, compact 3-point amp-hour battery. That's more than twice the battery power you're going to get out of the previous battery. Comes with the same charger. Comes with a much better bag. I will say that. As I said in the past, I prefer the bags over the hard cases. I know some of you like the hard cases. Some of you like a swift kick in the shin. So, not judging. Anyway, and for those of you who are wondering, why do I want to get a Metabo? What's Metabo going to get me? Well, I know a lot of you have been asking about nailers. Who's got good cordless nailers? And the answer is always Ryobi. And I'll be honest, I kind of forgot what an extensive line Metabo has. Let's take a look at this. Not only do they have all the tools you're going to want, they've got everything. They've got 21. They've got 15 gauge, pin nailers, brad nailers, finish nailers. Oh my gosh, they've got it all. We got the combo kits. We got, of course, they've got the upper end impacts. Here's their top of the line or near top of the line impact driver here for $179. They make some top tier tools. And you got there's the 3 amp hour battery for $40. Now they do this multi-volt thing. They also have another line. We're not going to get into it right now. There's a 36 volt line they also do. We got their variable oscillating tool. They got all sorts of stuff. They got some compact stuff. They've got a more advanced charger if you want to go that route. Now, this is just what they have at Lowe's. If you go over to Metabo's website, this is all, you look at this stuff, you're like, oh, that's great, corded. No, those are cordless tools. That's a cordless multi-volt brushless saw. We've got the table saw. We've got the nailers. We've got impact wrenches. Shut up, Moto. We got all sorts of stuff. They have this cool little thing here that you can plug in for the 36 volt stuff so it can run off of AC power. They've got tons and tons of tools. In both the 36, I realize most of what we're seeing here is 36, but they've got it all under the same listing here, so I can't really sort. I just want to show you that there's an extensive line of tools here. It's not just, a few tools here and there. Now, if you want to see, we did an unboxing, or I had Jeff play around with it during the live stream on Sunday. You can go over there. It's at 20 minutes in about is where he starts opening it up, and you can take a look at what all comes with it. I'll try to put a link to it down below. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up. I feel bad. I was going to talk to you about the Cobalt, deal that was out there where they had that, was it 6-piece set or something for $200, and that's pretty much gone. It's in so few stores where it's available. It's not even worth telling you all about. You just get all hurt at the bear for leading you on. So anyway, there you go. There's your Metabo deal of the day. Probably some of the hottest deals for the entire year. So far. Come on, we had to do that joke. At least I didn't do it. A 2020 joke. I could have done my Baba Walters impression. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you. Thanks for sticking with us through all these computer glitches and whatnot. But we're back up. We're back running. We're going to start trying to get these back out daily here for you. Anyway, You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.